We are under wind chill warning for this area. Here we go.
This is an important weather statement for the following counties in Michigan: Lenawee, Monroe, Washtenaw, and Wayne. Wind chill warning in effect until noon Monday. What? Dangerously cold wind chills. Wind chills of 25 to 30 below zero. Where? Washtenaw, Wayne, Lenawee, and
You
Monroe
can see that
counties.
shit.
When? Until noon Monday. Impacts. The cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. Avoid outside activities if possible. When outside, make sure you wear appropriate clothing, a hat, and gloves. These are the 9 p.m. observations for Sunday at Detroit Metro Airport. It was cloudy.
Fuck.
The temperature was 0 degrees. The dew point
We just fucking under wind chill warning in this area.
The wind